Hi friends, I'm Nancy from Qingdao Yichi Machinery and we would like to share with you today the woodworking 5-ax door panel spring equipment. This isn't just any ordinary spring equipment. We have more than 10 years experience on this and it is very popular to exported to more than 20 countries. What's even more exciting is that when you choose this woodworking machinery for door panel painting, furniture painting will generally give you the technology support in our life freely online. Also, about the painting machine warranty is 1 year accounting from you receive the machines in your factory. The machine production time is 30 days. The automatic paint spraying machine can spray color stain, sealer, primer, top coating for wood door, kitchen cabinet door, and body panel, and other flat or flat modern panel working pieces. Advantages: this 5-ax automatic painting machine, it can flipping, automatic feeding, can constantly working during different work shifts, improve the working efficiency. The working speed is equal to the speed of 5 painting workers and 8 loading workers working together, reduce the labor needed in the painting process. Industrial computer accurately controls the movement on/off time of spring gun. Flow rate and optimization pressure are preset, keeps the spring work more standard and stability, and uniformly improve the painting quality. Also, we will supply 2 years spare parts. Whether you are a small-scale woodworking shop or a large-scale manufacturing enterprise, this 5-ax door panel spring equipment, combined with our powerful marketing protecting is game changer. It can significantly enhance your production efficiency and expand your market share. Don't miss out on this great opportunity. We are waiting for here. Thank you.